Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the AI short video editing tutorial. So if you want to create a viral short with AI that look professional, here I'm going to show you step by step on AI short video editing, from generating visuals, AI voices to advanced effects, so you can make videos that go viral. So first you need to plan your short. You can write a short script or storyboard between 15 or 60 seconds. Just use Gemini or Chat GPT to make engaging, concise and content. And for example, write me 60-second script about the story of, so you can just choose which or what story that you want to make. And after you plan your script, you can create the visuals first. So for example, in here I'm going to use Canva AI to create cinematic shot of a futuristic city, animated style and in vertical. Click on create an image in here, then tap on this to submit. And after it's finished, you can generate multiple shots for sequence. So here is the result. And after you're done with the script and visual, you can add AI voice and music. You can generate a natural AI voice using 11 labs, for example, Gemini voice or CapCut TTS. And for the background music, you can go to the free libraries on CapCut or YouTube Audio. And after that, sync narration with visuals. And if you want to edit the video more, you can import the clips into CapCut, Premiere or DaVinci Resolve. You can cut clips to match script and add a text overlay, caption or stickers so that it makes a mobile friendly short. And don't forget to also use color grading and effects for cinematic feel. So that's pretty much all. That's how you can edit AI short from A to Z, from basic to advanced. Try it out and watch your content go viral. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.